Good morning, guys. Today you're going to be working independently without me because I'm not in school today and I have a sore throat and a cough, so I need to get tested. So during your lesson, I have a doctor's appointment, so that's why I can't be online to help you. So you're going to be working on the homework for lesson 2, which is already on Classroom for you guys under the header Booklet 2. So first thing you guys are going to be working on is the reflection of Booklet 1. So you're going to write down all points and grades you collected for Booklet 1. So with the homework, how many points you earned, you can see this on Classroom. If you have 0 points for a homework assignment, it means you handed it in too late or you didn't hand it in correctly. The next thing I want you guys to fill in is about the glossary quiz. So what was your grade? Make sure you fill in 6.5 and not as a lot of Dutch kids do. You see it's calculated there on the side, not 6.5 because then it doesn't calculate. And then you need to answer these questions. So did you know what you needed to study? Did you feel good about what you had prepared before you went into the quiz? Did you know what you needed to do during the quiz? And also, did you feel good about what you'd done when you left the quiz? Finally, were you happy with your grade? Here you fill in something that you're going to continue to do. Here you will fill in a good idea that you might want to take from a group member. And here you need to fill in something you would improve for the next time. Don't just write down study better. That is vague. Do you mean that you want to start further in advance with studying? Do you want to spend more time on studying? Do you want to organize your notes better? Do you want to use Quizlet better? Try to be more specific, please. Do the same reflection for the animal and plant cells, your summary. All this feedback you can find on Classroom and the grades are on Magister. And your test. You should have your test, the feedback in your mailbox so you can look at that. And ultimately, I want you guys to make a general reflection of the chapter. I want you to write down 3 things you're going to keep the same the next chapter and 3 things you would like to improve and how you're going to improve on them. The reason is that the second part of the homework for today is you need to make a plan of attack for Booklet 2. So what things do you want to make the same? This should be Booklet 2. What things do you want to keep the same for Booklet 2? What things do you want to improve for Booklet 2? Now this is where it gets interesting. You can earn a total of 500 points for Booklet 2. If you're a HAVO student, you need to do 275 minimum. If you're a FAVO student, 325 minimum. I want you to write down how many points you're going to aim for. What you need to aim for with getting the homework assignments. Remember, you can earn a 10, but do you always get a 10? And the only lesson that is compulsory is your lab lesson. Everything else, the glossary quiz, the summary, even the test, the homework assignments, you can decide if you want to do them, yes or no. So that is up to you. And this is why in Booklet 1, we wanted you guys to fill in your grades so you could see how many points you achieved during Booklet 1 so you can make a better plan of attack for Booklet 2. The last part of the homework is read your iBook pages 1 to 7. Here's your iBook ready for you to download. Pay attention. It's going to say unknown file. Then you guys always panic because this button doesn't work. You need to download it through this button here in the top right. And you guys need to watch the Edpuzzle video that I've ready for you guys on Edpuzzle. These 3 things are the homework. If you work hard during class, you could get the reflection and the plan of attack done, maybe even the iBook, but you shouldn't have more than 20 to 30 minutes work to do at home. Keep safe, and I hope to see you guys next week. Good luck, guys. Bye.